This exercise will help you review medical and health-related vocabulary. You'll hear a variety of phrases in English to interpret into your LOTE language. A vocabulary sheet with key terms for this topic is available in the description below. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel.
Doctor, the pain in my leg feels sharp and uncomfortable, especially when I move the joint or put weight on it.
We're concerned about swelling around the injury site. Please let us know if it becomes red, warm, or more painful.
The operation went well, but the patient will need to stay in the intensive care unit for 48 hours of monitoring.
Excuse me, could you explain the side effects of these medicines before I give them to my father?
Please don't yell, sir. I understand you're frustrated, but I'll help you find someone to answer your insurance questions.
Doctor, is it normal for the wound to feel dry and itchy? I'm worried it might be infected.
We will discharge you tomorrow, but you must continue prevention measures at home to avoid infection and complications.
My mother has a brain disorder, and sometimes she becomes confused. Can the nurse assist if she becomes disoriented here?
If you feel dizzy or collapse again, press the emergency button immediately, and medical staff will come to assist.
Is there anything we should be concerned about after the transplant, like blood clots or rejection signs?
The patient was immediately transferred to the trauma center after the car accident, showing signs of a serious brain disorder and multiple injuries.
Please let the nurse know if the wound feels dry, swollen, or if you experience any pain or uncomfortable sensations in the joint.
The doctor expressed concern about the blood clot found during the examination and recommended surgery to avoid future complications.
We need to discuss prevention methods for common illnesses, especially for aging patients and those with sensitive health conditions.
The assistant will explain how to use the prescribed health products and medicines before your discharge from the intensive care unit.
She collapsed suddenly in the waiting room, and the medical staff rushed to assess her condition and arrange an immediate transfer to the ICU.
Your father is undergoing a transplant surgery today. The surgeon will update you as soon as the operation is complete.